Hello guys, MedShorts Mnemonics में आपका स्वागत है. So today we will be studying about the crystals found in urine and we will be studying about the important casts. So first important crystal is cystine crystal and its shape is hexagonal shape. Okay, as you can see, okay, this is hexagonal shape. Next is the urate crystal. ज़्यादा important in the urate crystal is the character and it is radiolucent. Shape is not asked because it is seen in many shapes. Okay, now the next crystal is the struvite crystal and its appearance is coffin lid. Very very important. Remember it is coffin lid. It is not envelope shaped. Okay, कहाँ से लग रहा है ये envelope shape? Why some of you are saying envelope shaped? Okay, so and they are also triple phosphate crystal. Okay. They are made up of the content is triple phosphate. ठीक है. Then in which organism infection they are seen? Very important, Proteus infection. Okay. And if the crystals will form the calculi, they will form the staghorn calculi. How it looks? It looks very like irregularly shaped. Like you have seen adrak, you have seen ginger. It looks like that. Okay. Now the next is the calcium carbonate crystal. They are very round. They exactly looks like these. Okay. They are round in shape. Then next is the calcium oxalate crystals. Now in the case of calcium oxalate, there are two crystals, and you will easily remember this with this mnemonic. See, envelope shape, and there is a dumbbell shaped crystals. In calcium oxalate, there are two crystals. Now envelope मतलब चिट्ठी. In Hindi, envelope is चिट्ठी. And चिट्ठी उसी के वाक्य जिसके साथ कोई होता है. Okay. So it will be a dihydrate crystal. And dumb वो रह जाता है जो अकेला होता है. जो अकेला होता है वो dumb इंसान होता है. तो monohydrate crystal. Okay. Then the next is the amorphous crystal. It will be seen like this. No proper shape. Okay. Now you will be studying about. So now let's continue with the casts. So important casts are the hyaline cast, which is seen in stress and exertion, and the RBC cast, which is seen in glomerulonephritis, WBC cast seen in pyelonephritis, and the granular cast. Granular cast is basically seen in the tubular injury. So in the tubular injury, firstly there is a cellular cast, and then it transforms into a granular cast. And then in acute tubular necrosis, muddy brown casts are seen, and waxy cast is seen in the renal diseases, in advanced chronic kidney diseases also. And broad waxy cast is seen in the advanced chronic kidney disease. Okay, so both of them, waxy cast and broad cast, they are broad cast. This is actually a broad waxy cast. Okay, so they are seen in the late stages of the disease, of the chronic kidney disease. Okay, so these are casts. Actually, what is the concept of cast? In the loop of Henle, basically the ascending loop of Henle, Tom Horsfall protein is secreted, and in Tom Horsfall protein, this secretion, this is normal. It is secreted in you and me, but in patients, when abnormal things are filtered out, they get trapped in this Tom Horsfall protein and they appear as these casts. For example, if RBC gets out, it will trap in that cast. Okay, so it will be visible. Now, but also hyaline casts are not easily visible, so they are visible under the phase contrast microscope. They are more easily visible there. Okay, so thank you.